हेलो डियर फ्रेंड्स, ग्रीटिंग्स ऑफ द डे। मेरे चैनल पे आप लोगों को वेलकम बैक। वो स्टूडेंट्स जो कि आइल्स की तैयारी कर रहे हैं और वो चाहते हैं कि हम कंप्यूटर डिलीवर आइल्स की प्रेपरेशन करें, तो उसके लिए मैं आज एक बेहतरीन रिसोर्स लेके आया हूँ। ये e2language.com एक वेबसाइट है जो कि इस पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा मटेरियल अवेलेबल है। So those students who want to do practice computer delivered IELTS, they have a good opportunity on this website. So firstly, let me show you that you can select one of these package from these packages. आप एक पैकेज चूज़ कर सकते हैं इनमें से। मिसाल के तौर पे आपने आइल्स जनरल की तैयारी करनी है, तो आप आइल्स जनरल को क्लिक करके इसमें चले जाएंगे। प्रिपेयर फॉर आइल्स जनरल, तो यहाँ पे आप साइन इन करके तो इसके प्रोग्राम में इंटर हो जाएंगे। अच्छा, यहाँ पे मैं आपको एक ऐसी ट्रिक बताऊंगा जिसमें आप फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं। इस वेबसाइट पे आइल्स एकेडमिक, आइल्स जनरल, पीटी एकेडमिक और भी कोर्सेज हैं। So those students who would like to do practice, please keep watching this video till the end. So I will show you how can you to do practice the IELTS general writing task 2 or task 1. So now we have to sign in. So here you can sign in. यहाँ भी हम इसको साइन इन करेंगे। चलें जी, हम इसको लॉगिन कर लेते हैं। लें जी, आपने यहाँ पे फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट लॉगिन कर लेना है, साइन इन कर लेना है जो पैकेज आपको चाहिए। So first you have to try to do practice on free package। तो आइल चैनल पे क्लिक करें तो आपके पास कुछ पैकेजेस आ जाएंगे यहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस के लिए। रीडिंग है, लिसनिंग है, राइटिंग टास्क 1 है, राइटिंग टास्क 2 है, स्पीकिंग है और प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट्स हैं। सो ब्रदर्स, टुडे आई विल टू डू द प्रैक्टिस ऑन राइटिंग टास्क 1। अच्छा, राइटिंग टास्क 1 के ओवरव्यू में जाएंगे तो यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाएगी ट्रेनिंग। यहाँ पे ये देखें वो
Hello, in this lesson we'll look briefly at General Writing Task 1. We will learn what it is and what it looks like, the three different types, and the formulas. Task 1 of the IELTS General Writing Test is a letter. It should be at least 150 words. You should spend no more than 20 minutes on this task.
तो दोस्तों, आप इसमें चेक कर सकते हैं, ये क्राइटेरिया है, इसमें आप क्राइटेरिया
IELTS General Writing Task 1 marking criteria. So how do you get your score for writing Task 1? Task 1, the thing that is really different, get rid of those spelling errors or those typos.
उसके बाद ऑफिशियल क्राइटेरिया है, ये आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। अच्छा, उसके बाद फॉर्मल राइटिंग है, लेकिन ये फॉर्मल राइटिंग में भी उन्होंने बताया हुआ है।
Hello. In this lesson we'll look at who you write a formal letter to, how to recognise when to write a formal letter for the bank manager now.
अच्छा, ये तो सारी लर्निंग्स हैं, ये तो आपको बता रहे हैं।
IELTS General Writing Task 1, formal letter. In this video I'm going to show you what we need to do. So notice the extension among quotes. Consequently, have a look here at things like I am writing to bring to your attention. I have been one, bullet 2, bullet 3 happened in this accident. But where you add in a company at a job that you want to apply, it's just
तो देखें दोस्तों, इसमें जो फ्री मटेरियल अवेलेबल है उस पर तो आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं इजीली। अच्छा, ये एक्टिविटी एरिया है, इसमें एक लेटर लिखा हुआ है जी उन्होंने। आप स्टार्ट करेंगे, ये मैंने इसमें सेलेक्ट किया हुआ है, ये देखें, ये साथ ही यहाँ पे टाइम स्टार्ट हो जाएगा। और ये एक लेटर है, यू हैव रिसीव्ड अ लेटर अबाउट विनिंग अ प्राइज इन अ कंपटीशन ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय अ मैगजीन। सो इसमें वो आपको सारा बताएगा, तो आपने यहाँ पे सिलेक्ट करना है कि ये कौन सा लेटर है। आपका टाइम साथ ही चलता जाएगा। देखें, ये प्रैक्टिस के लिए अच्छा है। सो यू हैव रिसीव्ड अ लेटर अबाउट विनिंग अ प्राइज इन अ कंपटीशन organized by a magazine but didn't receive that prize. Write a letter to the editor of the magazine about it and describe the competition and prize in detail. Say how you feel about it. Explain what you expect the editor to do about it. Write at least 150 words. You do not need to write any addresses. Begin your letter as follows. So आप यहाँ से अभी सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं। देखें, डियर सर और मैडम, आई एम राइटिंग, तो हम देखेंगे ये एक आ कंपटीशन टू वन थ्रू योर company last month. So we can write here, I am writing because to telling you about. So we can write, I am writing in connection with a competition. So we have to select the correct word here. Meanwhile, time will be in running here. So my price never showed up, got, so we can mention arrived. I entered the contest advertised on page 4 of your magazine which to write. So हमें यहाँ पे select करना पड़ेगा which is the right and correct sentence or word which we have to select here. To write 100 words on their dream holiday, we can mention which required participants. So we can select required participants. My piece about an imaginary trip to the Maldives was selected. So as well here we have to mention correct words. To my great surprise, can you believe it, shock, horror. So it might be to my great surprise. And I was informed that a Visa card with $1,500 would be posted to me. You can see, meanwhile, time is in running condition. It will never stop till the end. Although it has been several weeks since then, I still haven't got it. Haven't it yet. Am yet to receive anything. So then still yet I haven't it yet we can mention here. While I do understand that the mail service can be slow and unreliable, I am this outcome, quite disappointed in this outcome, pretty cross about, unhappy, so we can mention quite disappointed in this. To spend money and told me, my friend, I was going to take them on a weekend away. This has been so annoying for me, quite frustrated for me, rather embarrassing. So we can mention correct word here. So annoying, this has been so annoying. I think this not suits for that. Quite frustrated, rather embarrassing for me. This has been rather embarrassing for me. We can select it here. I want to you investigate perhaps a bank transfer more reliable option. Bank has to be a more bank would be a more reliable option. Perhaps a bank transfer would be a more reliable option. योर सिंसियरली। चलें, ये हमने देखे 6 मिनट के अंदर हमने अपना लेटर सेलेक्ट कर लिया। Within 6 minutes we have been already selected all the words for our letter. So how can we identify is this right or wrong? So we can press this submit button and it will show us if there will be any mistake. You can see that we did this mistake. If there will be any mistake, it will show you in red highlighted tab, and which will be correct. It will show you in correct tabs. You can see now. Let's try again. Remaining words. Then I still haven't got it. Okay, we can mention this. I wonder if you could investigate. You must investigate this matter. Here we can mention yours faithfully. See, now it will again show you what are your mistakes. Now we can mention here, I want you to investigate it. So I can mention here, am yet received to anything. So now I can submit. See, it's showing you your mistakes. I am trying to do just the purpose of teaching you. If you can select a wrong word, it will show you immediately red. See, still time is running and it stopped now. Means that IELTS computer delivered test for writing task, it's a very good option for those students who would like to take the computer deliver IELTS. चलें, ये हमने कर लिया। अभी हम इसकी नेक्स्ट प्रैक्टिस एक्टिविटी में आपको दिखाता हूँ, वो भी बहुत ज़बरदस्त है। देखें, we can open this practice 1 formal letter. Okay, we can start here. So time once I will select it and click here, time will be in running condition. Okay, now we can write a letter here. On a recent holiday you lost a valuable item. Fortunately you have travel insurance to cover the cost of the lost item. Write a letter to the insurance manager. In your letter, describe the item you lost, explain how you lost it, tell the insurance company what you would like them to do. So we can write here, begin your letter as follows. So I will like to write now. Okay, let me start writing now. Dear sir or madam, you can see here timing is running condition. Okay, you have 20 minutes to write GT IELTS task 1 letter writing to complete it. Dear sir and madam, So they mention during traveling we lost our valuable item. So what we have to write? Holiday, insurance, valuable item, lost. These are the keywords. So what I can write here? I am writing to file an insurance claim of luggage that was lost last holiday due that was lost last holiday that was lost due to my holiday. HOL holiday last week. So I have already mentioned I am writing to file an insurance claim of luggage that was lost due to my holiday last week. So we already summarized our main keywords in a sentence. So now we can describe the lost item, and we can explain how we lost it, and we tell the insurance company what they have to do. So first we can describe the item you lost. Okay, I have already mentioned here luggage, so I can write here now I can mention the condition of luggage. The luggage was a green medium size Samsonite model. Since this holiday was the first time it had been used, it could appear to be in a good condition. Unfortunately, it does not have a luggage tag with my contact information. Now we summarize the first line. Describe the item you lost. The luggage was a green. Luggage is item. Medium size Samsonite model. Since this holiday was the first time it has been used, it should appear. We can mention here it should appear. It should appear to be in a good condition. Unfortunately, it does not have a luggage tag with my contact information. So we summarize the first line description in one paragraph. Now we have to write second paragraph about the explain how you lost the item. Okay, pay attention. You can see time will be in running condition always once you are doing practice here. Also it will count your words. Okay, I can write here when I am not completely sure how the luggage was lost. I imagine that it have might placed on a different flight. In fact, I have been in contact with the airline, and they are almost certain that this is most probable scenario. So we mention how we lost, and we also mention that here what is the fact. While I am not completely sure how the luggage was lost, I imagine that I have might placed on a different flight. In fact, I have been in contact with the airline, and they are almost certain that this is most probable scenario. So we already explained second line as well. Now we can explain tell the insurance company what you would like to do them. So we can mention here what we have to do. We can ask the insurance company, before I left, I had taken out travel insurance from your company, and based information on contract lost item or luggage is covered. Therefore, so transition words are the key for the success during writing task of IELTS. Therefore, I have been attached insurance claim, and I be I could appreciate that, and I could appreciate that if your company could review the value of lost luggage and process it as soon as possible. Now I have already mentioned what we have to do with the company. Tell the insurance company what you would like them to do. Before I left, I had taken out travel insurance from your company, and based information on contract lost item or luggage. So this I wrote as the purpose of taught you. Luggage, Luggage, luggage is covered. Therefore, I have been attached insurance claim, and could appreciate that if your company could review, we can mention here would appreciate that if your company could review the value of lost luggage and process it as soon as possible. So at the end we can mention, please let me know that if you require more information. Yours sincerely. Wakas Aslam. So here what we have been done here, our word count is completed. It's more than 50 words. It's 168, and we already mentioned all three criterias and first criteria, and still we have 8 minutes about our prompt. So once we finish all writing, we have to review our letter to identify if we have done any mistake there. We have to rectify that one, because we have still 8 minutes for this task. Dear sir and madam, I am writing to file an insurance claim of luggage that was lost due to my holiday last week. So now we have to mention about the condition, describe the item you lost. The luggage was a green medium-sized Samsonite model. Since this holiday was the first time it had been used, it should appear to be in good condition. Unfortunately, it does not have a luggage tag with my contact information. So we already explained all the condition of the lost item. In second paragraph, while I am not completely sure how the luggage was lost, I imagine that it might have placed. See, I found it an error. It might have placed on a different flight. In fact, I have been in contact with the airline and they are almost certain that this is most probable scenario. So we describe the lost item as well. Before I left, I had taken out travel insurance from your company, and based information on contract, lost luggage is covered. Therefore, I have been attached insurance claim and would appreciate it if your company could review the value of lost luggage and process it as soon as possible. So we can mention also third criteria. At the end, we have to sign off the letter. Please let me know that if you require more information. Yours sincerely, Wakas Aslam. So now we fulfill the all criterias. 168 words, still 5 minutes remaining, and all three criterias, and main this criteria for task 1. For formal letter, in formal letter we have to sign in with formal way, and we have to write with proper tone of formal way, and we have to sign off with formal way. So friends, this was the 2-day session. Later on you can save your answer as well here. आप अपना आंसर भी यहाँ पे सेव कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। और ये तो आपने अपने दिमाग से लिखा है कि ये आइटम जो थी वो लॉस हो गई थी। अभी भी आपके पास 5 मिनट पड़े थे। तो दोस्तों, जो भी है, आप किसी भी टॉपिक को ले लें, उस टॉपिक को सामने रख लें, और उस टॉपिक को सामने रख के आप यहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं इजीली। इसमें इसका फिर वो सैम्पल आंसर भी उसने दिया हुआ है। डियर सर और मैडम, आई एम राइटिंग टू लॉज एन इंश्योरेंस क्लेम फॉर एन आइटम आई रिसेंटली लॉस्ट while I am on holiday in Cyprus। तो उसने एक सैम्पल आंसर भी दिया हुआ है। अगर आप सैम्पल आंसर की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो वो भी अच्छी बात है, लेकिन आप फिर अपना दिमाग इस्तेमाल नहीं कर पाएंगे। जो आपके दिमाग के अंदर कॉग्निटिव थिंक है ना आपके दिमाग की, वो काम नहीं कर पाएगी। तो दोस्तों, मेरा इसके ऊपर प्रैक्टिस करने का मकसद ही ये है कि आप ये देखें, फिर ट्राई करें, कोई भी टॉपिक चूज़ कर लें और यहाँ पे लिखना शुरू कर देंगे। 20 मिनट के अंदर आप कितना लिखते हैं, डियर सर और मैडम, सामने कोई भी टॉपिक रख लें आप। कोई आप ट्रैवल कर रहे थे जैसे, और आपसे फ़्लाइट मिस हो गई, आई एम राइटिंग writing in regards to an international flight that I missed due to reasons beyond my control। ठीक हो गया। मतलब आप यहाँ पे इससे आपको एक फ़ायदा होगा, you can get a very good benefit to do practice here. You will increase or boost up your writing, and you know what exact time remaining after finished your task, and it will improve your writing corrections, and you will get a higher band during your writing। तो आप कोई भी टॉपिक लेकर चलें और यहाँ पे आप इजीली प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं फॉर्मल लेटर की। तो चलिए दोस्तों, ये तो आज था फॉर्मल लेटर के लिए। अब नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं आपके लिए दूसरा लेटर लेके आऊँगा। तो दोस्तों, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड हिट द बेल आइकॉन टू गेट लेटेस्ट वीडियोस नोटिफिकेशन। तो लास्ट में दोस्तों मैं यही बात करना चाहूँगा, इसको छोड़ दें कि ये अपग्रेड कह रहा है, आपसे पैसे मांग रहा है, लेकिन आप एट लीस्ट जो इसमें फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट वाले जो सेशंस हैं, कम से कम वो तो आप कर लेना। वो उनकी तो आप प्रैक्टिस इजीली कर सकते हैं। फ्री सेशन की प्रैक्टिस करें, तो जब वो ख़त्म हो जाएंगे तो फिर मैं आपको एक और नई वेबसाइट बताऊँगा। there are lot of website where you can do practice online free of cost for your IELTS preparation। So दोस्तों, goodbye, take care yourself, see ya।